Hi, I'm Edie. I'm the lead designer here at Agape Construction Company. And today I'm going to show you how to take this inexpensive wreath that I purchased at my local at-home store and turn it into this fabulous wreath that looks like you purchased from an expensive boutique. The items that you're going to need to make this wreath are A wreath, B, some ribbon. I chose 3 different colors here to give that pop of color to your front door, scissors, and some zip ties. Step 1 is making our bows. So an easy way is to take all 3 of your ribbons, or 4, however many colors you have, roll them into loops about 12 inches long, and then you take your zip tie and zip tie it in the middle. And then it looks like that, and then you just separate the ribbons and spread them out, and it makes a bow. The next step is the little tails that I like to add to my wreath, and I like to use, very important, wired ribbon because it gives you the opportunity to be able to get a little curls and swirls in your bow. And I find the center of the ribbon, tie it in a knot, and then we'll add it to a wreath with a zip tie. And the next step is to add all the accessories that you purchased. And in this case, I'm doing pinwheels, which is an item that you wouldn't think to put on a wreath, but the colors work really well with the wreath. And then in this one, I purchased a cute little large bee actually that I put on this wreath. Okay, so I finished adding all of my items with my zip ties, and here's the finished product. I think it turned out really cute, and this will add a lot of color to your front porch.